Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford F-150 battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so ensure your F-150 is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. You'll find the battery conveniently located under the hood, usually on the passenger side. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Now let's disconnect the terminals. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Grab your 10mm wrench and loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Once it's loose, carefully remove the negative cable and make sure to tuck it away, ensuring it won't accidentally touch the battery post again. This step is vital for your safety. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's truly too short for a stinky car. Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. It makes a huge difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the negative terminal safely disconnected, move on to the positive terminal. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the positive cable. After that, you'll need to remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the battery in place. Make sure all cables and clamps are completely clear and out of the way before you even think about lifting the battery. This prevents damage. Now for the lift. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds. Always lift with your legs, not your back, to prevent any injuries. If you have a battery lifting strap, this is the perfect time to use it for an easier and much safer removal. Carefully guide the old battery out of its tray and set it aside, ready for proper disposal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.